Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we'll continue with a multiplication topic. In last video we learned about multiplication by one digit number, but that was without carrying. Today we'll do the same thing with carrying. Okay, so I'll put one example. We'll look into 2 to 3 example. First I'll take an example for two digit number 34 multiply by or 34 into 4. Here also we are multiplying by one digit. Two digit number we are going to multiply by one digit. So I told you how to write. First put the place values. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Always write the numbers exactly below their place value only. 4 is ones, so again 4 will be here in ones place only. Then your multiplication symbol. Okay. Now we already learned in last video only how to multiply. Okay, the number that is in the second row will multiply it with the numbers in the first row. Okay, 4 fours are, what is 4 fours are? Read, you have to read the table. That's why I'm again and again telling, please learn your tables perfectly. 4 fours are 16. So here 16 is greater than 9. In any one place we can only take numbers up to 9 only. Here it is a two digit number. We can't write 16 over here. It will be completely wrong. So here, as in addition and subtraction we have learned, we will carry the numbers. So this is ones, this is tens. The number in the tens place we will carry, and the number in the ones place we will write down here. So what is in ones place? 6. 6 we will write here, and 1 we will carry. To which number we will carry? We will carry it to the exactly next number. Once we are from here we are carrying, we should carry to tens. Okay, this carry number always try to write it in a small circle. 1 we are carrying. Now this is over. Multiplying with this is over. Now we'll multiply with this. 4 threes are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 12, 4 threes are 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Okay, so 4 threes are 12. Now this 12, here 1 we already carried. This 1 we have to add to the 12. You will not multiply. In last year I have observed children were doing mistake. 4 threes are 12 they will take, then 4 ones are 4 they will take, and they will add both the things. Totally wrong. I don't know from where you will learn this logic. 4 threes are 12. To this 12 you will add the number that you are carrying, 1. What it will be? 13. So you will write 13 here directly, because there is no more numbers to multiply. 13 you will write directly. So your answer is 136. 34 into 4 will be 136. Now we'll take another example with 3 digit number. $445 multiplied by 3. Okay, now always put the place values in the question also, better to avoid mistakes. Now 400, 100, ones. 3 will be in ones place. Now multiplication sign. Okay, come on. Now each number you have to multiply with 3. You should not put arrows while solving. This is only for your explanation. Okay, now first we will multiply 3 with the number in the ones place. You have to go from ones, tens, 100, from right to left. You cannot start from anywhere on your own. So 3 fives are, read the table and tell me 3 fives are 15. Again 15 is 2 digit number. Ones, tens. The number on the tens place you will always carry. So 5 will come here, and 1 you will carry in the next place. Ones is there, and the next place will be tens. The tens ko aap carry karna. You should not carry to hundreds. One by one you should go. Now this is over. This is over. 3 fives are over. 3 fours are 12. Now for this 12 you have to add the carry. 12 plus 1, that will be 13. So again 13 you cannot write here, because here we wrote here after doing the multiplication directly 13 we wrote. Here we cannot write 13 directly because one more number is there for multiplying. So again to this 13, ones tens we are taking, the ones we will write down, tens we will carry, that is 1. Carry to the hundreds place, tens place ho gaya, then carry to the next place, that is hundreds place. Now this is over. 3 fours are, again 3 fours are 12 only. Now 12 plus 1, same 13. Here again you will write directly 13. So your answer will be 445 into 3 will be 1305. Whenever you are taking the carrying, whenever you are carrying, you will multiply the number and you will add the answer. You will not multiply it again. Okay, you have to add 12 plus 1. Next, we'll take an example of 4-digit number multiplying with 4 digit to 1 digit. Come on. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Put the place values first. Maximum number of place values. Then you'll copy the question. Write the numbers just below their place values. That's why I'm again and again repeating. Before starting only in the question only put the place values. 2 will be in ones place. Okay. Next, multiplication sign. Now we'll solve this. I hope we get any carrying work here because randomly I have put the question. Now each number, each digit in the first row we have to multiply with 2. 2 5s are. You have to do in your mind for your understanding. I am keeping it over here, the rough column. 2 5s are 10. So 10 again is 2-digit number. So 0 you will write here and 1 you will carry. Now 2 6s are 12. Again 2-digit number. 2 6 are 12 and you cannot forget this one. This one you have to add. Then 12 plus 1 will be 13. So 3 you will write here, 1 you will carry. Okay. Next. 2 5s are over, 2 6 are over. Now 2 3s are. 2 3s are 6. Single digit only we got here. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus the carry number 1. What is the answer? 7. 7 you will write. Always write the answers just below the place value. Then last number 3 is also we multiplied 3 also. Now 2 2s are 4. We are not having any number for carrying and all, so we can directly write it. 2 2s are 4. So your answer will be 4730. Okay. I hope you all understood, or shall I go for one more example? I'll go for one more example. Wait. Very simple. In this also, in this topic, we are multiplying with 1 digit only. We are multiplying with 1 digit only, but the numbers are different in the first row. 4 digit, 2 digits, etc. I'm repeating that because in next topic we have to multiply with 2 digit. Okay, so last we'll just take one question. Four, 2, 5, 3 into we'll multiply with. Let's take 5 table now. First, put the place values for each. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then copy the place values down for solving. Then the question. You have to leave some space for carrying work, okay? Now, you have to multiply with 5. 5 is in ones place. So, we'll write it in ones place. Now, multiplication sign. Come on. Each number you have to multiply. 5 3s are 15. Again 2-digit number. Carrying will come here. So 5 will write down, 1 we will carry. Okay. Now 5 3s are 15 is over. Now 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1. Carrying will always add the number that is in the carry. 25 plus 1 will give you 26. So again here 2-digit number is there. So 6 you will write here, 2 you will carry. Okay. Now next, this is over. Now 5 2s are 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Now 10 plus 2. 2 is here. 2 is there in the carry. So 10 plus 2 we are doing. What will be 10 plus 2? 11, 12. 12 will be the answer. Again 12 is 2-digit number. So 2 will write down here and 1 will do the carry. Always we are carrying the number in the tens place. Okay. Now last, with 2 we multiplied over here. 5 4s are 20. Now any carrying is there? Yes, 5 4s are 20. With 4 is carrying one number. So that you will add 20 plus 1. What is the answer? 21. Now any more numbers are there to multiply? No numbers are there. So 21 will write directly. So your answer will be 21,265. Okay. I hope you understood. Whenever you are carrying the number can be 1, 2, 3, any number. Whenever you are carrying the number, you will add that number to the to the product. 5 3s are 15. Sorry, 5 5s are 25 is your product. This 25 is the product. So to the product you will add 1 while carrying. Okay, you will not multiply that. Okay, thank you.